Okay, I'm trying to test the sliding bed mechanism. Had an issue with one of the glides, or two of the short glides. I had to send them back. But I'm still trying to set up the mechanism. I've installed these two little testing brackets right here to try and get the spacing correct. You can see what my objective is. I'm just going to go and move the bed so you can see what's going to happen. Ta-da! The issue I have though is this has to be flush. So obviously I have to move these brackets back in order to get that to stand up and maintain, because this will be the wall of the truck right here. And so this has to fold down and stay away from the wall. So I'm trying to figure that out. I don't know the calculus formulas and all that stuff. I need to be able to move this way. I know because right now it's coming down. I've got about 6 inches here that it's hanging over. But imagine that there's actuators underneath there making that bed slide back and forth. Here's what it would do. So folding the bed up, it would slide this way. To there, and then of course sleeping position, I would slide it back. Obviously, I have more testing to do.